Stop here. This video here is on a little different vein, but it's still part of the build for the front end loader. Due to the fact that, you know, we have the hydrostatic system on a lever, which is here, okay, I have no foot pedal control, which is going to make it kind of difficult for me to steer and lever and use the valve system. So I'm thinking what I'm doing, and I'm going to just show you here what this thing does. That first of all, this engages the hydraulic system. I bring it over here and push it forward. That goes in, but as you can see here, it's pushing. You can see the rod system go back and forth. Now, and then when I put it in reverse, of course, it goes in the opposite direction. And then back to the neutral position, and I put it in a park. Now, I'm going to go around to the other side here. I'm hoping that I can somehow, because this here is the mechanism that is hooked up. It goes from the handle of the valve. See, you can see it there. Oh, there's the mechanism right there. And the hose is in the way, of course. Okay. And one rod comes from the handle system to here, and then this rod goes back, and it actually engages this stuff down there, okay, which actually is driving the hydraulics back and forth, you know, the forward and reverse. So I have to somehow try and figure out how to take this mechanism here, modify the foot pedals, because now, of course, they're going to hit that. I'm going to eliminate the brakes because I never use them anyway. So I'll just be eliminating the brake system altogether. That's part of the brake system there. Just remove all this and not have it there. So somehow I have to get this here working on a cam system, so that when I push this pedal down, okay, I'll go forward. But unfortunately, when you put, as you can see here right now, when you push it down, of course, the lever goes forward, because that's the brake system. But when I engage it into forward position on the lever, this retracts backwards. So this mechanism here is kind of useless for me to be able to do something with it. So, and same with the this pedal over here was the system where, you know, you're engaged in emergency or whatever. You push it forward and it pushes it back to neutral. But once again, it pushes everything back. It's in the opposite direction. So I'm going to have to somehow figure out how to get a pedal system with springs and whatnot that's going to take this scenario here, so that when I push this down, it pushes this backwards, and then when I push this pedal down, it'll push it forward, because forward on this thing, of course, puts it in reverse, and then backwards this way, makes it go forward. So that's going to be another project that I'm going to be working on as well, in conjunction with the front end loader, because like I said, it's going to be a little difficult to use that and a valve and the steering wheel all at the same time. Only got two hands. So I don't know if there's anybody out there that has any suggestions on how to facilitate this. It'd be greatly appreciated. So other than that, have a great day and talk later. Bye for now.